Hey there, students! Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of struggling to remember formulas for your exams? Well, we're sharing a simple yet effective study tip. Tip number 1, association. Connect the formula to something you already know or find meaningful. For example, if you're trying to remember the formula for force, F equals ma, think of a time when you pushed or pulled something. Tip number 2, visualization. Create mental images to help you recall formulas. For instance, imagine a triangle for the formula A2 plus B2 equals C quad. Tip number 3, mnemonics. Use acronyms or rhymes to make formulas more memorable, like SOHCAHTOA for trigonometry. Tip number 4, practice. Repeat and apply formulas regularly to reinforce your memory. The more you practice, the more likely you'll commit formulas to long-term memory. There you have it, 4 simple tips to help you remember formulas easily. Try these tips out and watch your formula recall improve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.